Hi guys, it's your French teacher Andre, and in today's lesson we're going to tackle the subject of obtaining plural forms from singular nouns. So generally, you would put an s at the end of the singular form of the noun, whether it's feminine or masculine. However, there are exceptions to this rule, and that is what we're going to discuss today. Firstly, nouns that end in consonants such as s, x, or z do not change in the plural form. So, for example, une voix, which ends in an x, will remain the same, and only the article will change. For example, it will become des voix, right? So the pronunciation remains the same, the way the word is written remains the same. Nouns that end in eau usually take an x in the plural, and just that. For example, un château will become des châteaux. So a castle becomes castles. However, there are also nouns that end in al, which their plural form is going to become aux. So, for example, un cheval, which is going to be a horse, will become des chevaux, which are some horses or horses in general. There are also exceptions to these certain rules that we've had. Okay, so there are certain atypical words. So let's list them one by one. Un bal, which actually means a bowl, will become de bal. So we see that it's going to respect the rule uh, of putting an s at the end, even though the termination is al, right? Next, we have un genou. A knee will become des genoux with an X. So you also see in this case, we know that it isn't AU or EAU. We know that it isn't in the certain certain categories that we've seen, but it will be with an X at the end. Next, we have un pneu. Un pneu will become des pneus. So we use an S at the end. Un festival will become the festival with an S at the end. Un œil becomes des yeux. This is a very, let's say, strikingly different word in plural. And next we have un bijou will become des bijoux. Okay, that was it for today's lesson. And if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. For now, bye bye.